vintage clothing is anything from the 1920s to the 1970s, and I think also the 1980s, even though some people disagree with me, but whatever about that. The reason I love vintage clothing is the nostalgia, the romance. When I buy something new off the peg, it's just boring. I don't want to walk into a party or go to a wedding or go to work and someone's wearing the same thing as me. You can get a dress from £2 to £2,000 if you want to. It is really for all price ranges. I'm not going to lie, it does take longer than high street shopping, but as long as you're open-minded and you really want to stand out with what you wear, I promise you, your wardrobe will get way more fun.
If you're addicted to fast fashion, I'm going to show you girls and you boys a different way of finding unique, stylish clothes. From little boutiques to mum's wardrobe for discovering hidden vintage gems.
Ooh, look at that!
I've created a workshop and opened the doors to the public to give you incredible sewing tips for repairing, reinvigorating and revamping your old threads.
The horns one as well? Yeah, that's some Harry Potter wizardry, that.
We need to leave that for about 5 minutes.
And what should we talk about?
Feelings? My husband won't talk about feelings with me.
They don't, do they?
Yeah, they don't.
Not unless it's their feelings. No, it's shut up.
Yeah.
I explore the history of some of the most iconic outfits to have shaped today's fashions.
Something happened in the mid-60s where the waist just opened up.
And I take a vintage faux who would never dream of wearing somebody else's clothes.
What do you think of the idea of second-hand jeans?
No way. Oh, no way.
And give them 3 looks by using something old, something borrowed, and something new. Well, old, but it looks new.
I actually can't handle how amazing this outfit is, Siobhan.
So will they, and you, be convinced that there's life yet in this old thing.